How to set up YouTube Kids on mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to make sure to download and install YouTube Kids app on your device if you haven't yet. Now launch YouTube Kids app. Now tap on Get Started button. Here you have the option to sign in with the parent's account. Simply tap the arrow. And now here you can easily sign in with your parents' account or escape. Now enter the correct answer and tap on the arrow at bottom right. Choose a content experience for your child. I'll select Younger for this demo and tap on the select button. Tap done. So here's the privacy information about YouTube Kids. Go through this and tap on I agree. So let's tap on profile icon at top left corner and head towards get started to get a parent to create a profile. So now enter the year you were born. So let's enter and tap on confirm button. Here you can sign in with parents account or select the account and then tap I agree. Now you can easily use this application after you entered or set up all your profile and then choose the account, or simply you can tap plus account and create another. And here's how we can easily set the YouTube Kids app account on mobile device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.